Discerning drivers will appreciate the 2021 Chevrolet Tahoe. It features an automatic transmission, rear-wheel drive, and a powerful 8-cylinder engine. Top features include power windows, leather upholstery, heated seats, a power rear cargo door, a trailer hitch, rear wipers, and seat memory. Third-row seats provide an even greater maximum passenger capacity. Audio features include an AM/FM radio and 9 speakers, providing excellent sound throughout the cabin. With side curtain airbags supplementing the rest of the safety network, you can be assured that you and your passengers will experience top-tier protection. Our knowledgeable sales staff is available to answer any questions that you might have. Stop in and take a test drive.